Quiz channel. No matter at what time you start your preparation, but with great determination, you can achieve anything. Proves All India rank number 1 in ICR JRF Plant Science, which is the hardest subject, isn't? Miss Chandrika ma'am, please welcome. It's our privilege for welcoming you here, and please give your valuable guidance and also the suggestions for all the aspirants who are appearing and preparing for our coming ICR JRF Plant Science examination. And Miss Chandrika ma'am, who is from Hyderabad and who pursued her undergraduate BSc Agriculture in Professor Jaishankar University, and also now who is going to pursue her masters in IARA New Delhi. It's really great to hear, ma'am. Firstly, we wish you heartfelt congratulations and please welcome ma'am.
First of all, a very good evening to all of you. Myself, I am V. Chandrika, and I have pursued my BSc Agriculture from Professor Jaishankar, Telangana State Agricultural University, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. And very thanks to you for such wonderful words about me. It means a lot to me. And yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So let's know firstly, how is your feeling, ma'am, for achieving the All India? Generally, for anyone, qualifying is only the biggest thing. But you have achieved the first rank in All India wide ICR JRF Plant Science subject. So, how is your feeling, ma'am? Did you really think that yes, you will do it, you will achieve the first rank?
Actually, I never expected that I'll get first rank in ICAR JRF. By seeing that paper, I thought I didn't expect. But whatever I have learned in my degree subject, like the whatever the concept I have learned, that only I applied in the exam, and my results are like very fruitful. I'm very thankful that my basics are very strong, so that I have achieved this rank this time.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, in this plant science subject, plant breeding and genetics, is it your favorite subject or just you have chosen the subject?
Actually, in degree, first I have I like agronomy subject very much, but I didn't take agronomy because I have developed interest in plant breeding also. So between these two, I have chosen plant breeding. Why? Because like in agronomy, it is like a general subject, but in plant breeding, we'll get like in specific in depth, like how to develop new varieties. So that I got interest and I wanted to be a plant breeder. So I have taken this subject.
Wonderful, ma'am. So great to hear it. Proud of you, ma'am. And ma'am, can we know when you have started preparation for this ICR JRF? Which year of
Okay.
you or which months?
Actually, one thing I wanted to say is I don't didn't wanted to do JRF and PhD and all. I wanted to settle very fastly, so I wanted to write AFO exam. But suddenly I have changed my mind, and in Jan 2020 only I have started. That is the second semester of final year. I have started my preparation, and within 6 months I completed my preparation.
Wonderful, ma'am. Superb. It's really great to hear. So, ma'am, to complete this preparation from Jan 2020, I mean, when the starting of your eighth semester, from then, what all books you have referred, what all guidance you have provided, you got.
Okay. For genetics, actually, I have referred Fundamentals of Genetics by B.D. Singh, but some may find difficulty in reading that book, because in that B.D. Singh book, beyond our level, like for SRF, JRF, and for NET also the same reference book will be there. But for our UG level, it's like much more matter will be there. So you can read up to 23 chapters from B.D. Singh, and remaining molecular genetics part you can refer Essentials of Elements of Genetics by Pundan Singh. And for breeding I have referred Essentials of Plant Breeding by Pundan Singh. Only that book I have referred for plant breeding. And for plant pathology you can refer uh, Introduction to Plant Pathology by Uttam Kumar Bhattacharya. And I have also referred our stencils, study materials, which were very standard. And for microbiology also have referred a study material, and also An Introduction to Microbiology, written by Tara and Kapoor. In that book, I have referred last five chapters because it is related to Indian microbiology, and most of the questions will be appearing in the examination from that part. So I have referred that book also. And in case of seed technology, I have referred our own stencils, and I also have referred instant plant science book for that. In that book, all the whatever the subjects included in plant science group will be there in very shortcut form and very precise form. So whatever we'll read in the theory, like in the reference books, in the shortened form, in that in that book, whole subject will be covered. In that, from that only I have read CTech, because all new important bits were there in that book. So my suggestion is that, please, before going to the exam, at least once you read that book, it is very beneficial. From that book, we have got almost 4 to 5 questions from that book. And for general agriculture, I referred Nimrod Sunda, a competitive book of agriculture written by Nimrod Sunda. And also, you can do bits from objective agriculture from written by S.R. Kantwa. It is also very beneficial. Most of the times, direct questions will be coming from that book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. You've given the brief book list. So, ma'am, to cover all these books and that too from January, it's really great to hear. So, how was your timetable, ma'am? In a day, what timetable you have maintained? I mean, in a day, how many hours you have studied, spent for study this?
Okay. Actually, first Jan, Feb, and March, 3 months we were in the college. We were doing our AELP. So, morning daily 2 hours I used to study. And after coming from the college, like 4 or 5 o'clock, from that time up to 9, like that, I used to study. So, almost daily 5 to 6 hours I used to study. But in the month of April, when we got lockdown, we were in home only. So that's why I studied 8 to 9 hours daily. I covered most of the portion during our lockdown period only.
Wonderful, ma'am. Superb. So here we came to know what all books we need to refer and how our timetable need to be maintained and per day how many hours we need to work hard and how hard we need to work to achieve that, to complete our syllabus and to reach this stage. So, ma'am, we also want to know how your study strategy was. I mean, what tips and tricks you have followed while your preparation, and from where you have taken the guidance. Otherwise, few techniques. Can you please mention while studying, ma'am?
Okay, actually, I didn't like ask my seniors and all, like to how to read and all. Just I myself prepared a schedule. Like, first of all, I have to read genetics for 2 weeks, then plant breeding for 2 weeks, because at that time we were not knowing that this lockdown will come and the exam date will be extended. So up to May only, I have thought like within 5 months I have to complete the whole syllabus. So that's why I have read first genetics part, then I have then I went to plant breeding. First, mostly most of the students, what they'll do is parallelly they will read. First they'll read genetics, and if they develop like if they don't get interest in that subject, they'll again shift for plant pathology or microbiology, like that. So what my suggestion is that I don't do like that. First go for the major subject groups, that is genetics and then plant breeding. Then only you read this minor like plant pathology, microbiology, and seed technology, because we'll hardly get 10 to 20 questions from that three subjects, but we'll get 80% of the paper will be from breeding and genetics. Portion will be more like they'll be concentrating more on breeding and genetics portion. So please first complete these two subjects, then you can go for minor subjects like breeding, like CTech, plant pathology, and microbiology. And one more thing, you can refer crop physiology also, because most of the times in the paper will get sometimes crop physiology questions also related to transpiration, respiration, especially plant growth regulators and C3 C4 cycle. From that part will get questions. So please refer these four chapters also from crop physiology. If the paper, like if any question comes from these like from these topics also, so that you can attempt. And my strategy was this only. I have read first, completed my genetics and breeding part, then I went for pathology, microbiology and seed technology. And daily when you are reading your main subjects like these plant science subjects, parallelly you go with general agriculture also. For example, if you are reading 5 years, you're allocating 5 years for your main subject group, you allocate 1 hour for your general agriculture, so that you'll get no need to go for general agriculture again. Because in Imrat Sunda it is that if we read alone we cannot get the things. We should read at least 2 to 3 times that book, so that we can memorize the things. So what you do is that you just discuss with your friends while reading general agriculture, so it will be very useful to you. Even I did that. I used to discuss with my friend daily. For 1 hour we used to do general agriculture. Within 4 months we have completed that book, and we got confidence also that we are we got perfect in this subject, so that any question comes from this, we can at least we can try to attempt that, like that. So please discuss with your friends when you are reading general agriculture. And don't read general agriculture at a once, like within one month I can complete this general agriculture, not like that. Daily you allocate some time for this subject and you read, so that you can remember the things very easily.
Wonderful, ma'am. Superb. And the best tricks and tips you have followed, ma'am. And you have suggested that. Really, we will be much more thankful for that. And, ma'am, you are doing self preparation, right, ma'am? So, from where you have attended this mock test and also the websites or anything you have referred from online
Okay.
to complete your mock test, what are they, ma'am?
Mostly on WhatsApp groups, like they'll be having WhatsApp groups, no, like plant sense, genetics group, pathology group, so that they'll be discussing in that group. So please participate actively in that groups, because if you'll discuss, you'll get more. And Telegram is also most useful. In Telegram, I most of the times when I was reading, when I'll get bored of reading, so I used to do bits in the Telegram. It was very helpful, especially for general agriculture also. It was very useful. So that in Telegram also some groups are there, like a general agri quiz. They'll conduct mock tests, paid mock tests, like every day at specific time. They'll conduct daily 50 questions. Each question will having 30 seconds time, like that they used to conduct. I have attempted all those mock tests from that channel. And also agri quiz, like agri quiz and agri Adda, and these channels are there in Telegram. You can follow those channels. They are really very helpful in our preparation.
Okay, ma'am. And yes, ma'am. Now, can you suggest, say this your opinion on what about coaching classes, ma'am? Are they really necessary for us? Otherwise, with your experience with the coaching class also by self study only, yeah, we can have that confidence to achieve.
Without coaching also we can attend attempt JRF exam, and we'll get without coaching only I have got, no, so no need of coaching. Self preparation is also enough. If you are finding any difficulty in the subject, you can contact your seniors or your professors and you can clarify. So no need of coaching, I think, for JRF
What?
especially.
Yes, ma'am. With your experience is only our guidance that you can give. Wonderful, ma'am. And ma'am, now at present, what's your plan, ma'am? I mean, for what exams are you preparing? Either IBPS, AFO. What's your next target?
Actually, I wanted to crack IBPS AFO. This time also I have written prelims. And like if I'll get AFO, so up to PG I'll do. If I don't get, I'll go for further studies like PhD, like that.
Wonderful, ma'am. Superb. That's what you have really good determination and a good target, so that your target is clear, so that you can achieve it. And I wish you very all the best, ma'am.
Thank you
And
so much.
ma'am, also, can you please suggest any from your side, who all are appearing for exam now,
Mm.
they are in preparation. Few aspirants are in preparation, and few are going to attempt for our next ICRJRF exam. For them, from your side, can you suggest anything for them, ma'am?
Okay, actually, what I wanted to suggest is that this time paper is totally different. Like before, we have 150 questions and 2.5 hours time, but this time we have only 2 hours time, and the questions are also reduced to 120 questions. So what I suggest is that mostly like up to previous years, we used to think that there will be more time, like we can easily attempt, and in within 1 hour we used to complete, and remaining 1 hour we used to sit freely. But this time the pattern is entirely different. The paper is too lengthy, so that we should actually like we should spend more time on the paper. Like we should allocate our time in such a manner, so that like again we can come through the paper once again, because for our time, like the paper pattern, for the first time we were facing that type of paper. So we are confused, like all the questions are very lengthy. When we did mock tests also, they didn't give this type of pattern, they only gave direct questions. But this time paper, there is no single question which was given directly. All were lengthy, like always statements, assertions. So what our people mindset is that by seeing first question, okay, it is lengthy, by seeing second question it is also lengthy, like up to 10 questions there are lengthy. So our mindset has totally changed. What is this paper, like that? By like by seeing that paper only, whatever we have known, in that dilemma we have very much confusion. So like that we were confused mostly. So this time you people came to know that how the new pattern will be, and how the questions will be asked, and from which like how the questions are being asked, like match the following assertion and reason, statements true or false, like that. So you people be prepared with that, like matching how much time, within how much time I can do this matching and assertion and reason, so that you can allocate time, and you can score maximum marks. Because in our time we didn't get much time to see the paper again. Only one time we have seen, and like we have submitted the paper, so there is no chance of seeing the paper again. If we have seen again, we would have attempted some more questions. So please accurate you allocate accurate time, so that don't waste sitting on one question. If you don't get that question, move to the other question, and at last if you have time you can attempt it. Because like this wasting by this wasting of time, you can lose more marks. So like whatever the questions you feel it was easy, you attempt first and then go for the difficult question. Don't stick on to one question. That's my, like if you know the question also sometimes, but it takes much time, in that case also you leave that question and again you can come back to that question. This is my request. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much. And ma'am, can you also say how was while you were attempting the paper, how was it? On what concept it was based more? On which concepts of our plant science subject that question paper was based more? On which
Okay.
concepts they need to target and focus more?
Okay. Actually, we'll think while reading genetics. Okay, genetics part they'll give from genetics part only. They'll give major questions, and from breeding they'll give less questions, like that. But this time that paper was totally different. Most of the questions were from plant breeding, and that too from plant breeding we'll get some methods, like bulk breeding, pedigree breeding method, and all breeding methods. What will just will read the method name and the scientist, like bulk breeding is given by Nielsen Eller, like that. We'll read and we'll leave it, because these are the direct questions. If they'll give also, we can answer in which year and which crop. Up to that extent only we'll mostly focus. We don't go into the matter, like how many years it will take and what all steps are there in that. But this time the paper was mostly focused on that breeding methods, like what is pedigree breeding. In for suppose if they take ask a question related to pedigree breeding, you should know everything about that pedigree breeding, like what is happening in that method, like how many years it will take, and what are the disadvantages and advantages. Everything you should know, and we should compare with the other methods also. What is the difference between pedigree and bulk and backrows and all. Just don't simply read, just understand the concept, and you make the difference between what is this, and what is the difference between these two also, so that you can attempt the questions. Reading is very easy, but understanding the concept is very difficult. So don't read superficially. You learn the concept, so that even though if the paper is tough, you can attempt the questions very well. If you have a subject, however the paper may be, you can attempt. That's
Yes, ma'am. Wonderful. That's what we not only need to study that particular point or study refer that particular point, but also we need to have an idea of whole that concept, so that
mm,
any type of question we can be confidently answer that. Wonderful, ma'am. So great to hear. So yes, ma'am. Till now we have gained a lot of knowledge regarding how to prepare for our books and what study strategy we need to maintain and on what we need to focus more. But it doesn't mean Chandrika ma'am, she has got the first rank All India Wide Best starting her preparation in January. But it doesn't mean for all of us to start our preparation in January, as our Chandrika ma'am have that basic concept to thoroughly, and also that knowledge she have more. She covered all those topics within just a few months. But we all know that plant science is a major subject, and it require really a lot of hard work and a lot of many will get scared, right, ma'am, by
yes.
listening to this plant science subject, think
Yeah.
it as a big subject. So that's what. I wish everyone who are going to appear for this exam, for our next examinations, all the aspirants wish you very all the best. And whatever the doubts you have, you can just post in the comment box after referring to our video. Then any doubts we will convey to our Chandrika ma'am, and she'll surely clear your doubts as she's well experienced, and she will surely give her guidance to all of us. So thank you so much for your valuable time, ma'am.
Thank
Really,
you
it is
so
really
much.
the great interaction with you.
Thank you so much, even for giving me this opportunity to say our like juniors, like guidance, to guide them. I like this time the paper will be totally different. So please make sure of that. Like you see the this year paper, and according to that you plan and you read, and not that within 6 months we'll read, we'll get the seat. It's not the case. Like we have the corona holidays, and we have a lot of time at home, so I could complete the paper quickly. But you
Yes.
people may not get that much time, so I kindly request you to read from the third year itself, and when you're in classroom also, you try to learn the subject. Mostly if you have the subject, you can the JRF will be very easy for you.
Okay,
That's
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's really great talk with you. And
thank you.
always, please. So I request all the aspirants who are watching this video to please keep stay tuned with our channel, so that we'll be providing you lot many suggestions, and we are going to meet many more such type of great personalities who achieve the top rankers. So please keep stay tuned, and soon we'll meet again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.